In this video, I'll show you how to automate an email after purchase in Squarespace. Once you are on your Squarespace website, the first step is to head over to the navigation panel on the left-hand side. And in here, you want to head over to the bottom and click on Email Campaigns. Now, under Email Campaigns, you want to simply click on Automations. And once you are on the Automations page, what you want to do is simply head over to the top bar and on the right-hand side, click on Create Automation. Now it will take you to the automation page. And from here, what you want to do is simply head over to the left-hand side and at the top, simply click on all. Now from here, you want to scroll down until you see Thank First-Time Customers. Now this is where we can share our appreciation by thanking our customers once they've made their first order. You can even customize this, so just simply click on Thank First Customers and at the bottom and the right-hand side, click on Next. Now, once you do that, you'll be taken to the email template section. And in here, you have about 4 options. Don't worry, these are all customizable and you can change them later on with different types of templates. And once you're done, simply head over to the bottom and right-hand side and click on Create Automation. Now you'll be taken to the page where you can start editing your automation. So on the trigger, we have customer orders, and at the bottom, you can even add a filter. If you click on the drop down for the condition, this is where you can set it to be none. And once you set it to none, you can start editing your customer products. And in here, you can start with any store product, or if you have digital products, that is something that you could also apply. Now at the bottom, if we click on total amount spent, this is where we can add a total amount spent for the filter. Now on the time delay, this is where you can start editing it. So on the right hand side, you can even set no delay. That means that it will automatically send it within the day that the product was purchased. And if we head over to the bottom and click on custom, in here you can set a delay by the days. You can even set it to as much as you want. However, it is recommended to send it a day or a no delay. Now on the action, this is how the email would look like. To edit the email, simply head over to the right-hand side and under email details, simply click on edit email. And once you do that, you'll be taken to the email page. And from here, you can start highlighting the things in which you want to edit within this email. Now on the right-hand side, you can even change the color of the email background. So if you click on the palette, you can choose from either the email palette or your site palette. You can also change the content background color, the font packs, the font sizes, as well as the link colors. Now at the top and the right hand side, if we click on email, this is where we can change the subject line, the email preview, and we can even add a sender detail. So if you click on none, as you can see, you need to add a sender in order for you to send this email. You can also add a legal address. This is optional if that is something that you want to do. And once you're done, simply head over to the top and left hand side and click on back. Now, let's say you don't like the look of this email template. What you can do is use a different email. To do that, simply head over to the right-hand side again and click on Use a Different Email. Now, once you do that on the right-hand side, it will open the templates. And if you scroll down, as you can see, there are a lot of templates in which you can choose from. If you click on the drop-down for filter, this is where you can add a seasonal, promote, drive sales, say thanks, welcome, and internal only. If we click on say thanks, there will also be a lot of options, or what you could also do is start with a blank template, which is at the very bottom. And once you were satisfied with how your automation looks like, simply head over to the top bar and on the right hand side, simply click on activate. Now, in order for you to send automations or email campaigns, you need to upgrade your campaign plan. And to do that, simply head over to the bottom and click on upgrade, and it will take you to the campaigns page where you can start purchasing. So if you click on the drop down, let's say you don't want to send a lot per month, you can even set just 500 and it will automatically tell you the price. And once you're done, simply head over to the bottom and click on select. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.